Yes, we all know that summertime is just around the corner. So I did not want to delay this one. So let me just go ahead and quickly share this one with y'all. The DIY Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub for glowing skin. It's going to exfoliate, soften, and smooth the skin naturally. This easy scrub helps to exfoliate dead skin, smooth rough patches, and leave the skin feeling moisturized and refreshed. Now, this one is perfect for dry skin, mature skin, self-care days, shower routines, and spa nights. So if your skin has been looking dull, dry, flaky, or rough, this may be exactly what your shower routine has been missing. This scrub is simple, affordable, and gives a spa day at home energy. Now, let me go right into the ingredients. I'm using 1 cup of pink Himalayan salt. This helps exfoliate dead skin cells and smooth rough areas while helping the skin look refreshed and renewed. Yes, pink Himalayan salt is rich in trace minerals that help refresh dull looking skin and helps to improve the appearance again of rough, dry areas. You're going to love, love, love it. I then go in with a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. You can use solid coconut oil or you can use fractionated, the liquid coconut oil. The coconut oil helps deeply moisturize dry skin and it helps to leave the skin soft and silky. It helps support the skin barrier and adds a smooth glide to the scrub. I love coconut oil. It helps deeply moisturize and soften the skin so your body doesn't feel stripped or dry after exfoliating. And then we go in with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Now the benefits are great of honey, y'all. I love honey. Honey helps attract moisture to the skin. It leaves the skin looking radiant and healthy, and it soothes dry, feeling skin and gives the scrub that luxurious texture. I love that so much. Again, honey. And I love how it gives the body that healthy, radiant glow. And then finally, we're using lemon juice. Yes, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice is all you need. It's going to help brighten the appearance of dull skin, and it refreshes tired looking skin, and it helps improve the appearance of uneven skin tone. Now I'm just mixing everything together. Just mix everything together until it becomes this beautiful, luxurious scrub texture. Now, when it comes to the pink salt, I always get the finely ground salt. Be sure to do that. You're going to regret it if you don't. And beautiful babes, just look at that. Oh, wow. I love it. Now, to use it, apply it onto damp skin in the shower and gently massage it in circular motions. Focus on rough areas like your elbows, knees, feet, and legs. Yes, beautiful babes. I wanted to make sure I mentioned to you, you should shower first, then use the pink Himalayan salt scrub. Showering helps soften the skin, open the pores, and loosen dead skin buildup. Gently massage in circular motions. Focus on those rough areas like your elbows, your knees, feet. Don't forget the feet and the legs. And after rinsing, oh girl, your skin will feel so silky smooth and moisturized. I personally love using this during my self-care shower routines because it makes my skin feel pampered and refreshed. And remember, beautiful babes, always patch test first, avoid irritated or freshly shaved skin, and moisturize after for extra softness. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share it, and subscribe for more beauty, skincare, self-care, and mature glow-up content. I got y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
2 queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the